Every day has a routine. Yours, mine, everyone's.
Today we practice exactly that. 100 simple, everyday sentences. Just listen and repeat after Lily. Let's start at the beginning of the day. Waking up.
I wake up early. I wake up early. My alarm goes off at 6. My alarm goes off at 6. I open my eyes slowly. I open my eyes slowly. I feel a little tired. I feel a little tired. I turn off my alarm. I turn off my alarm. I stretch in bed. I stretch in bed. I sit up slowly. I sit up slowly. I get out of bed. I get out of bed. I open the curtains. I open the curtains. The sun is bright today. The sun is bright today. I make my bed. I make my bed. I check the time. I check the time. I look at my phone. I look at my phone. I read a few messages. I read a few messages. I take a deep breath. I take a deep breath. I put on my slippers. I put on my slippers. I walked to the kitchen. I walked to the kitchen. I drink a glass of water. I drank a glass of water. I feel ready for the day. I feel ready for the day. I start my morning. I start my morning.
Now it's time to get ready.
I go to the bathroom. I go to the bathroom. I turn on the light. I turn on the light. I wash my face. I wash my face. The water is cold. The water is cold. It helps me wake up. It helps me wake up. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I look in the mirror. I look in the mirror. I comb my hair. I comb my hair. I take a quick shower. I take a quick shower. The warm water feels nice. The warm water feels nice. I dry myself with a towel. I dry myself with a towel. I put on clean clothes. I put on clean clothes. I choose a shirt. I choose a shirt. I get dressed quickly. I get dressed quickly. I put on my socks. I put on my socks. I wear comfortable shoes. I wear comfortable shoes. I check my hair again. I check my hair again. I feel fresh and clean. I feel fresh and clean. I am almost ready. I am almost ready. I am ready to go. I am ready to go.
Time for breakfast and out the door.
I go to the kitchen. I go to the kitchen. I make some coffee. I make some coffee. I love coffee in the morning. I love coffee in the morning. I make a simple breakfast. I make a simple breakfast. I eat some toast. I eat some toast. I have an egg. I have an egg. Sometimes I eat fruit. Sometimes I eat fruit. I drink a glass of juice. I drink a glass of juice. I sit at the table. I sit at the table. I eat slowly. I eat slowly. I wash the dishes. I wash the dishes. I check my bag. I check my bag. I take my keys. I take my keys. I put on my jacket. I put on my jacket. I look outside. I look outside. It is a little cold today. It is a little cold today. I open the front door. I opened the front door. I leave the house. I leave the house. I lock the door. I locked the door. I walk to the bus stop. I walked to the bus stop.
Now the day begins.
I wait for the bus. I wait for the bus. The bus arrives on time. The bus arrives on time. I get on the bus. I get on the bus. I find a seat. I find a seat. I listen to music. I listen to music. I look out the window. I look out the window. I arrive at work. I arrive at work. I say hello to everyone. I say hello to everyone. I start my work. I start my work. I check my emails. I check my emails. I make a to-do list. I make a to-do list. I have a busy morning. I have a busy morning. I take a short break. I take a short break. I drank some water. I drank some water. I eat lunch at noon. I eat lunch at noon. I have a sandwich. I have a sandwich. I talk with my colleagues. I talk with my colleagues. I go back to work. I go back to work. I finish my tasks. I finish my tasks. I am happy with my day. I am happy with my day.
And in the evening, we slow down.
I leave work at 5. I leave work at 5. I take the bus home. I take the bus home. I feel a little tired. I feel a little tired. I arrive home. I arrive home. I take off my shoes. I take off my shoes. I change my clothes. I change my clothes. I make some dinner. I make some dinner. I cook something simple. I cook something simple. I eat with my family. I eat with my family. We talk about our day. We talk about our day. I wash the dishes. I wash the dishes. I sit on the sofa. I sit on the sofa. I watch some television. I watch some television. I read a few pages. I read a few pages. I drink a cup of tea. I drink a cup of tea. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I get ready for bed. I get ready for bed. I turn off the lights. I turn off the lights. I close my eyes. I close my eyes. I fall asleep quickly. I fall asleep quickly.
And that's your 100 sentences for today.
Nicely done, seriously. You practiced your English today. That matters.
And tell us in the comments, write, I practiced today, if you learned with us.
Or 100 sentences if you made it through all 100. And if this helped, a like and a subscription help us keep going.
Thanks for practicing with us today.
Thank you. See you in the next one.